Exactly, dude.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
a double-edged
Fight forever.
sword. It can
It's
be a
like
blessing
his.
and a curse.
He can
She just
reverse.
needs to
Until he's
learn how to
defeated.
use it.
So this is
She
yo adding
revives
some
the
perfect
pain.
balance to Deku.
That's how okay.
Oh, you see him
Dude.
going Super Saiyan?
I can
He
say
can use 100% as much as he wants.
Yo!
Aura.
He can use 100% as much as he wants right now, bro. Oh, look at that,
Surge! Get me, girl!
Look at that.
Finish
looks
this,
sick,
man,
bro.
please! I'm throwing haze!
Hey, you're about to find out the value of her power.
Bro, come on, man!
Let's show him.
Come on! Bro! That's how it works! I am stupid!
Ooh.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Now this is pretty dark,
Back.
and I don't really want to get. I mean,
So
it's
she
just
can
a thought
can
that
she
crossed
bring
my
back
mind.
Muriel?
But theoretically,
Oh, wow.
Bro,
could you
don't
make
be.
quirk-enhancing bullets then?
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
no
bro!
wonder you wanted
Just
her
theoretically,
so
though.
bad.
I'm not
Bro.
trying to rip her apart and find that out, but just a
Turn
thought.
humans back to normal. Natural order that you try to fucking. You try to.
Oh, you don't know my true value,
She's
bro. I'm
a
at a
girl,
maximum
bro. You
efficiency
treat her
right
like
now.
fucking
Yeah, let's go.
fucking merchandise, you
Out of there,
bitch.
dude.
Oh
doesn't even
man,
know
you
her
definitely
value.
don't know her
Actually
value.
does have to use control right
You
here.
definitely don't know. Mm. Manchester, bitch! Go up there! I see you!
Both see how big Overhaul
Dang.
is,
Out of there!
One.
Midoriya
Yo, that was
just
a light
said
smash,
go,
too, bro. That was just a little
Go!
kick. Toss his ass up in
Oh
the air.
my god, bro! He's at a
This is
fly.
nuts.
Deku looks sick right now.
nuts.
Hold on! Dude, you gotta.
Has gotten stronger.
Dude, what's gonna happen if
Dude,
she
this
stops?
animation is so good. And her
Dude,
horn is
oh
like
my
flaming.
god, this is fucked up,
She
man.
doesn't know what she's doing.
But that determined.
Why am I
no,
so
that's not true.
slow,
Because if she
bro?
was, you would have been.
This took me
Reverted
forever to
back
see.
to
She's
nothing.
just
You
gonna
gotta
keep.
stop Overhaul.
She's actually controlling it to a certain degree.
Yeah, get another resolve, bro. Let me see you.
相手は渋滞だってな。
うちの島で騒いだ方のしただけだ。
Moving in.
うちを認識すらしてない連中が
Bro.
増えてる。
This
見せ
can't
しめ
be.
にして存在をアピールしなきゃだ。
This is the season. I swear to God, bro. My hero does this, man.
新しいしのぎ始めたろう。
One of the best
に
anime.
は手出すなと言ったはずだぞ。おめえが拾われた恩を返そうとしてんなわかる。
He wants him to be his own life.
やりすぎなんだ。
So he's like that student that's
I
straight
don't want
down
you
the
to do
wrong
these
path.
drugs, man.
外れたことはすんじゃ
Oh
ね
my
えよ
god! Almost word for word.
だけじゃ死にゆく一方だ。
Yo, Chisaki, man.
わからない親父。
まあ現実味のない話ではありやす。ヤクザが再び裏社会
Who
を
is
治め
that?
る。
必ず実現してやる。
To make
俺
the
の考え
staple.
が成功すれば、
Bro, if
発
he's
災会は必ず。まずは研究過程で
tell me you got something else, man. I swear to
Okay, now we're
God.
getting into the mind of
They're
Overhaul.
doing.
Oh, okay. That's the dude.
That's amazing.
欲しがる者が必ず現れる。
Bro,
気がかりなのは
he's gonna use the fucking thing on
完成品を
Deku.
高値で裁く。そして巻き戻しで個性を復活させられる
Serum.
結成をちら
Oh.
Winds the.
つかせ。ヴィランサイドには銃と弾を、ヒーローサイドにはその結成を。エリの肉体が元である以上、市場を独占支配できる。
She's on the whole plan.
再び日本を裏から。
さっき
Save.
So he wasn't really working with the good guys or the bad
Said
guys.
stop, man.
He was working
He
for
killed his dad.
Person.
the sake of the Hasakai.
Where's your humanity, motherfucker?
And there you go.
Then I'm through with you.
That girl's a person
killed
too.
him. I bet.
Dude, you're just.
She's not just a toy that
And
you
he
can break
destroyed
apart and
him?
build back together.
Because it was just.
ってくれたあんたに。
He destroyed him.
I want to repay you by killing you, right?
Dude.
Yeah, that's some logic.
見せてくれ。
He did this to him so he could just.
So he was the one
control.
that did that to the master. Or to the head Yakuza dude. And then he just told everyone else, like, alright, the big dog, he's sick.
That's how you
I'm taking over now. That's so crazy.
Bro, this is not what he wanted
really
you to
went
do,
down.
Oh
man.
man, this soundtrack.
To the point where he took out his own master.
Because
had him on life
it's sick,
support.
man! It's fucking sick! Look at this!
Ooh,
Deku, get in there!
we haven't stopped yet though. We got a
Bro,
lot
So
more
this
than
is
just that
Deku
kick.
at his maximum
we're not
potential.
hero pretenders, bro! We sanction society, bro!
He doesn't gotta worry about nothing.
Come on, man! Bro!
Here it is!
It's over.
Get in there! Deku!
Which smash is it gonna be this time?
We're about to seal the
Fuck
deal
him
right
up!
now.
Basically flying, bro.
The one girl!
Basically flying. It's a bunch of jumps, so it's like
I'm
airwalk.
about to destroy you to nothingness!
Deconstruct, reconstruct again.
Dude, he's
Yeah!
become a hero!
Let him know.
Oh! The abyss, man!
Oh, what is this?
100% barrage! Let's go! Regenerate from that! Look at this shit!
Deku, you're fucking
Oh my
monstrous.
god!
Oh!
Deku, fuck that nigga up! A hero who saves everyone!
He's done.
Let's go!
This animation,
Fuck that
son.
mask!
Oh!
Let's go!
God.
This music, bro.
Fuck,
this
bro,
budget
that was so cold!
Dude, and
is down
Oh
right
my
now.
God.
That was amazing.
this is stuff that you just can't
That looked
recreate
crazy.
in manga, dude.
My nigga won!
Oh my god, I'm over here
Deku's not
sweating.
dead!
What?
Dude.
That's the immutable future I saw. But Deku got healed!
Look at Deku.
Bro, come on, bro!
Look at
I'm with this! I do this!
that's Chisaki's
100%! What?
Why does he keep wearing
You
a
didn't
mask? He
see
looks
this
like a
shit coming!
Regular dude.
This is an
There we go.
unforeseeable future! Fuck that nigga! Fuck him!
Can you fight destiny?
Deku can twist the
changed.
future!
The
Yes!
future can be
Just
changed,
found
bro.
out
All Might
the
will
That means
live!
All Might doesn't have to die.
Come on! 100%!
Look at this animal right here.
I'll twist that shit!
Oh, the chills!
Yes!